How to check Safari history on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Safari is the default web browser on iPhones, developed by Apple. Once you're here, go to the bottom panel and tap on the bookmark icon. Here, you can view all your bookmarks. In the Reading List section, you can view your reading list items. Reading List lets you collect web pages and links to read later. Now, go to the History section on the right. You can scroll down to view all your search history over here. Tap on any day to open the history for that day. You can also clear the history by tapping on Clear if you want. And then, tap on Done at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily check Safari history on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.